YouTube. Hi YouTube.
Oh.
Hi people. This is the hardest.
Oh, ouch.
We're gonna just
What?
Oh, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, hi people. That's all they do yet. Anyway, hi. So today I am joined by
Because just.
we joined by Kaz the Jazz and
Just a nerd.
from
I watch stuff.
Because just from Access.
man my work is easy.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
you don't just do that.
So today, who said fun the mini challenge?
Xander X.
Xander X, that one.
Whoever that is.
Xander with an X. Yes. Told us to do the cinnamon challenge after the whatever
Chili challenge.
Yes, chili challenge. Whose head? His head should be somewhere. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. You can watch it if you haven't watched it. And so today we're going to do cinnamon challenge. Nice cinnamon. It's pretty.
Nice and.
Yeah. So we will choke and we will die and you will laugh and you will like and subscribe and tell people and share on Facebook. So.
And you will try at home and we will watch you die. And
Cinnamon.
my
A
gosh.
good chunk of cinnamon.
Kwani tunakula yote?
Wow.
I told you I love cinnamon spice.
Yuck.
Kwa pancake sikukula hivyo yo.
Nikukula hivyo yo.
My gosh.
And tea.
Yo.
You know, I was ordering my mom cinnamon because he was like, Mom, cinnamon, how much? That I don't know, like 100 bob. Ati, oh, so I'll go buy. Ati, why? Ati, my friends and I want to do a challenge. Ati, what we try eating cinnamon. Ni sawa tutumie ni yangu, msitumie. How much are we saying?
Ah,
It's
yeah.
nice. Just, no, Julie, that's too. Because you should take the most. In the chili challenge, you took like a. Yes.
Hallelujah.
Ah, bon appetit.
So,
So.
5, 4, 3, 2.
2.
I think supposed to be saying something.
Yes. 1.
0.
My mom is both water. Oh. Ow. Mdomo wangu umepana. Mdomo wangu umepana kirani. What? Oh wow.
I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Was this dipped in weed? Wow, okay. Julie wins. By a landslide. Oh my god, you've had that sort that I'm dying.
Kazuki, do not eat cinnamon.
My mouth tastes like pancake.
My mouth was so dry.
What? Oh, that is the hottest. Okay,
Oh,
not the hottest. That's like lung phobic.
Mouth drying.
Ati lang phobic, kunataka hiyo.
Your nigga thirsty gave him cinnamon.
Oh yeah, that'll keep him quiet.
Ati?
Nothing.
Amesema? You know, I still watch this video. It's okay.
so I can feel my mouth.
Oh yeah. Hate speech.
Hate speech. No, this is
That is Gamergate.
Gamergate against guys.
Yes, against guys.
Yes.
My dress, my choice.
My spice, my choice.
Cinnamon is not my choice.
Neither.
Yo, mdomo wangu ilikuwa inafilika iko na cake.
So,
those particles are
Yes,
still
so I
stuck here.
won, right?
Kazuki is something under the table.
No.
So you won the
I know
cinnamon
the picture.
challenge.
Yes.
That was too dry.
I always lose in all these challenges.
Sorry.
I'm not good at challenges.
You'll win the next one, which will be given by our viewers, we hope.
Don't tempt them.
Yeah, so another challenge, give us what we do. Then guys will always lose.
Yeah, definitely.
Tell people.
Oh, people who should do this next. Hashtag 254.
Oh.
Hashtag 254.
Okay, yeah. Hashtag 254.
Oh.
Low blow.
Oh, yeah. That is a hit below the belt. That's a hit below the belt.
Anyway, hashtag 254. You should do this. Who else? Larry Madowo.
Lali Madowo.
Larry Madowo.
Oh.
Someone in Kaguru.
Which one up or YouTubers?
YouTubers or one-up elitians.
Gatehi has never done ours. Oh, and for Gatehi not doing ours in time, you have to do this one.
Oh.
2 challenges.
Yeah, akufanya gido.
2 challenges.
Oh.
Woo! Buy tickets to see that one. I'm pretty sure you won't miss like 2 chains.
I'm pretty sure 2 chains won't miss that one.
2 chains will miss.
Yeah, so I'll send you
Kazuki.
hashtag 254, all the 3 of you. And Gatehi.
And Lali Madowo.
And Lali Madowo. Lali Madowo.
Since he refused to do, because I should do also the chili challenge.
Yeah.
Both of them at
Ooh.
all.
2 challenges.
Ooh.
Lali Madowo. Anyway, nothing is fun.
Yeah. Kazuki!
Tena tulikuwa Indonesian media. Hapo nikasema Lali Madowo.
What?
Yeah, so shout out. Nangependa kama lion. Salamu kwa wanyama,
Salamu kwa
wakubwa, wanyama mdogo. Na wanyama wote.
Yeah.
Anyway, like, subscribe, chat, comments. See ya.
Yes.
Oh, wait, you're supposed to click on these people's faces to see the channel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Click me. I really hope
And
I'm
me.
free.
Tuoneka huko baby.
Adios, muchachos. Bye.